Hi, welcome to Patricia Delights, and today we're going to do cheesy chicken with shrimp and potatoes. Okay, let's go over the ingredients. We have 3 russet potatoes that's been peeled and chopped into bite-sized pieces. We have a ½ pound of small shrimp that's been shelled and deveined. We have 3 chicken breasts, boneless, skinless, that's been cut up. We have ranch seasoning. We have a ½ onion that's been finely chopped. We have chicken bouillon, the powder. We have about 3 tablespoons of green pepper that's been finely chopped. We have a garlic clove that's been finely chopped. We have some shaved Parmesan cheese, about a ½ cup. We have 2 tablespoons of butter, or you can use margarine. And then we have a ½ cup of Alfredo sauce that you can get at the store, in the jar. It comes in a jar. In the pan that we're going to go put the chicken in, I have 2 tablespoons of oil, and in the other pan I have 2 cups of water for the potatoes. So let's go over to the stove. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start with the water here. We're going to add our chicken bouillon. And we're going to add some ranch seasoning. And then we're going to add a little garlic powder. Pepper. And onion powder. Okay, and now we're going to add our potatoes. And we're going to let these cook until they're tender. I'm going to cook them on medium heat. And we're going to cover them. Okay, now we're going to add our chicken. To the chicken, we're going to add ranch seasoning, some garlic powder, onion powder, seasoned salt, and pepper. And we're going to cook this until it's fully cooked. And this will be also medium heat. Okay, now that the chicken is done, it's nice and tender and fully cooked, we're going to go ahead and put it in this bowl. And then we're going to start cooking the onions and bell pepper and shrimp and garlic together. Okay, now we're going to add our butter. bell pepper, and our shrimp. And then to this we're going to add our seasonings. Add our seasoning salt. Pepper. Garlic powder. Or onion powder, I'm sorry, and garlic powder. Now we're going to let this cook until the shrimp are cooked all the way through and the onion and bell peppers are tender. Okay, now that the shrimp and the onion mixture is done, we're going to go ahead and combine the potatoes with the shrimp as well as the chicken, the cheese, and the Alfredo sauce. Okay, now that I mixed everything together, combine everything, we're going to now put it in our baking dish. And the baking dish is greased. I sprayed it. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle Parmesan cheese over it and then some chopped green onion. And then we're going to bake it in a preheated 350 degrees oven. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Okay, I just took it out the oven and now we're going to serve it onto the plate. Get it out. It's gonna come out in pieces for me. It's nice and cheesy. Okay, let's have a taste. I have a piece of chicken, and I have shrimp, and I have potato. This is really, really good. The shrimp and the chicken and the potatoes, along with the onion and the cheese, really make a good combination. You guys are gonna love this if you make it, which I hope you do. So thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you make this dish because it is really good. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit that bell so that you will get my upcoming videos. And please have a wonderful night, and thank you for being here with me, and I will see you next time. Bye. Let's have a taste. I'm trying to get the good dang potato. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard to get the damn... Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this again.
That is so a goddamn blooper.
It is.